Hello everyone, in this video we are going to fix the issue, format the disk in the drive before you can use it. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, open the command prompt cmd as admin mode, and once you open the command prompt we need to hit here the only one command first, and then but before that you should have knowledge what is the drive letter of your USB or the flash drive or the SD card. So whichever the letter of your hard drive or the external hard drive, so you need to identify that. In my case it is F, so we need to execute the command accordingly. The command is chkdsk space the drive letter and the colon F colon, you can change it space /F, and then you need to hit enter. So once you have hit enter, it will execute and will reach to 100%. so once it is done, check if it fixed the issue or not. Okay, try to reopen it and it should fix the issue. If not, we can execute the same command with the up arrow key and press here R and hit enter. Now this will take some time guys, this will take more time than expected. Just wait here until it's get 100%, and after that restart your system and it will fix the issue. So hopefully your issue will be fixed after applying this method. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.